I will keep my wordings. हाँ चलो लिखो. Right. हाँ right. Mean. So we are given discrete values, right? Let x1, x1, x2, x3, x4, x1, x2, x3, x4, एक मिनट, x1, x2, x3, x4, xn, 1 मिनट, x1, x2, x3, x4, xn, x1, x2, x3, xn, now right, x1, x2, x3, xn, these are the discrete values of x. B, discrete values of x, discrete values of x, discrete values of x. So you are given discrete values of x. So x has value, discrete value x1, then x2, x3, yes, that is I am explaining, x4, xn. Discrete means the values are not continuous. Discrete means they are not continuous. There is a gap, there is no uniformity, there is no continuity or uniformity between the values of x. So discrete means there is no continuity or uniformity. There is no continuity or uniformity between the values of x. For example, x can take the value 2, 7, 15, 35, 75. These are discrete values because there is no continuity. Between 2 and 7 there is gap of 5. Between 7 and 15 there is gap of 8. Between 15 and 35 there is gap of 20. 35 and 75 there is gap of 40. So these values are not continuous. So they are not continuous means they are discrete values. So if there is no uniformity or continuity, the values are discrete. Now how many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. Then write down. Then the mean value of x. Then the mean value of x. Then the mean value of x is denoted by. The mean value of x is denoted by x. We put one bar. We put one horizontal line above x. That we read as bar. X bar. We write one horizontal line on the above x. That is x bar. X bar is the mean value of x. And is given by. How we calculate mean value x bar? So to find x bar, mean value of x, what I will do, I will add all the values of x. To find mean value of x, x bar, what we do, we add, yes, we add, that symbol denote bar. Bar means x value, mean value. This horizontal line denote, we read it as bar, but this symbol denote it is the mean value. It is not x, it is mean value of x. So to find mean value of x bar, we add all the values of x. We add x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. We add all the values of x. That is xn. एक मिनट. We add all the values of x. अभी क्लियर है? चलिए ठीक. We add we add all the values of x. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus xn. Then we divide this total. When we add all the values of x, we get total. Then we divide this total by total number of values given. How many values of x are given? How many values of x are given? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. N values are given. So we divide by small n, where small n is total number of values given. You can count, no. You can count, for example, 5, 17, 21 and 31. How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. So my n is 4. N will be 4. 4 values are given. So n will be 4. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus xn, divide by total number of values given. Divide by total number of values given. Now we use this we use the symbol, yes, to now we want to add all the values of x. So for plus, for adding all the values of x, we use this symbol, summation. This is summation. Summation x divide by n. So summation x means add all the values of x. Summation x means infinite value will be not be there, because the last value is given xn. In between values are not shown, but the last value is given. Whenever so formula, see how we calculate x bar. To find x bar, I will add all the values, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus xn. Then divide this total by total number of values given, n. For plus sign, for addition of all the values of x, we use the symbol. This is summation. This symbol is summation. This symbol is summation. Summation means you add all the values. This symbol is summation. Summation means add all the values. So summation x upon n. Summation. Yes, we will use. Summation x means you add all the values of x. Where small n is total number of observations, or total number of values of x given. Total number of values of x given. Total number of values of x given. So how many values of x given? That is my small n. So simply we add all the values of x. We add all the values of x, then we divide this total by total number of values given. Then we divide this total by total number of values given. Now this you write in the box. This you write in the box, and remember this mean is same as average. Mean is same as average. Mean is same as average. So in some of the textbook they are using the word mean. In some of the textbook they will use the word average. So to find the average value is same as find the mean value. Finding the average value is same as finding the mean value. So now let us switch over to solve the problem on 19a. Simply to find the mean, you have to just add all the values of x. You have to add all the values of x. After adding all the values of x, you have to divide this total by total number of values given. Total number of values given, you will get the mean value or average. Exercise 19a. 19a. Find the mean of first. Find the mean of we are given the value 43, 51, 50, 57 and 57 and 54, 43, 51, 50, 57, 54. 43, 51, 50 clear है. 43, 50, 51, 57, 54. Yes. Now we want to find mean. So how we solve this? We write it systematically. We write x. Then we write 2 dot. Means these are values of x. 43, 51. No. Don't do directly. Wait. We write x. Then we put 2 dot. Means these are the values of x. 43, 51, 50, 57, 54. Then we count how many values are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write here small n is 5. Small n is 5. So it is asked find. So find mean. So now we want to find x bar. X bar is mean. So what is the formula for x bar? X bar is summation x upon n. So x bar is summation x means you add all the values. 43 plus 51 plus 50 plus 57 plus 54 upon 5. Divide by 5. So x bar is yes, how much it is? 225. 225 divided by 5. So 5 4s are 20. How 51? 5 4s are 20. My dear, wait, how 45, how 11.8, 45, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, so x bar is 45. So mean value is, yes, in this way you have to write the answer. Mean value is 45. Then second one is very much easy. Find the mean of first 6 natural numbers. What are the first 6 natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just add all those values of and divide total by 6. You will get the mean. So that I am leaving. How? 51. Divide 5 4s are 20. Then what is left? 25 is left. No, 5 5s are 25. It is 2. Wait, let me see. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 7, 15. 250. So 255. So 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. So x bar is 51. Now second I am giving homework. Find the mean of first 6 natural. Then find the mean of first 10 odd natural number. That is also homework. Find the mean of all factors of 10. What are all factors of 10? Yes, what are all factors of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10. Find the mean. Divide. Find. Fifth I am doing. And fifth one you mark important also for 3 to 4 marks. Star. So find the mean of x plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 3, x plus 5, then x plus 7, x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 7, right? X plus 7, then x plus 9, x plus 9, x plus 11. Find the mean value. So we want to find x bar. We want to find x bar, mean value. Yes. So how will find mean x bar? So here, what is n? How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Small n is 5. Small n is 5. So now we find mean value. Now we find mean. So we add all the value. We add all the value x plus 3 plus x plus 5. We add all the value x plus 5 plus x plus 7 plus x plus 9 plus x plus 11, x plus 11, divide this total by total number of values given, that is 5. So mean is, you add x plus x plus x plus x plus x, 5. Then we add the numbers 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 9, 24, 24 plus 11, 35. 5x plus 35 divided by 5. So now I will divide each number by 5 because we use this result. Which result we use? A plus B, C is A by C plus B by C. This result I will use. So I will divide each numerator term. You can factorize. Yeah, very good. 5x upon 5 plus 35. 35 upon 5. So mean value is 5 get cancelled. X plus 7. X plus 7 is the mean value. Yes. You will add them, no? 3x plus 5 plus 7 is how we are adding the like terms because they are having same variable. You have to add the coefficient. You have to add the how x plus x is not x square. X plus x is 2x. X plus x is 2x. So 3x. See here. No, wait, no, my dear. See, you are telling me 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5x. Now I will take x common and add the coefficient 3 plus 5 into x. So that becomes 8x. Whenever there is multiplication sign 3x into 5x, we multiply all the number 3 into 5, 15, x into x, x square, 15x square. Now do this sixth one. Sixth one is important. Sixth one is important. Now see here. Sixth one is decimal, that you can do it. Sixth one. Sixth one में second part is also there. Let चलो ठीक है. We are given the values of x. The values of x are 9.4, 9.8, 5.4, 9.8, 5.4, 3.7, 1.7, continue. Then 1.8, then 2.6, then 2.8, 1.8, 2.6, then 2.8, 2.8, then 8.6, 8.6, and then 10.5. Find the mean value, and 11.1. 11.1 is also there. Yes. So we count how many values are given. Here small n. Yes, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Small n is 10. So to find mean value x bar. So mean value x bar. We add all the values. We write the formula summation x upon n. summation x upon n. So summation x means add all the values of x. So that is 9.8 plus 5.4 plus 3.7 plus 1.7 plus 1.8 plus 2.6 plus 2.8 plus 8.6 plus 10.5 plus 11.1. Divide this total by 10. Let me check it. 1 plus 5 6 plus 6 12 plus 8 20 plus 6 26 plus 8 34 plus 7 41 plus 7 48 plus 4 52 plus 8 60. Now 6 is carried. 6 plus 9 15 plus 5 20 plus 3 23 plus 1 24 plus 1 25 plus 2 27 plus 2 29 plus 8 37 plus 10 47. 47 plus 11 is 58. So 58.0, that is 58 upon 10. So x bar is 5.8. We put one decimal from right. From right we put the decimal after 1 degree. So mean value x is x bar. Here find the value of summation of x minus x bar. Summation of x minus x bar. Find the value of summation of x minus x bar. So for this you have to make the table. Find the value of summation of x minus x bar. Wait, no. How you can do the minus directly? Find the value of summation of x minus x bar. It is not x minus x bar. It is summation of x minus x bar. So first you have to find each value of x minus x bar. So I will advise you, you make one table. You make one table. This is x. This is x. And this is x minus x bar. X and x minus x bar. Yes. X minus x bar. X and x minus x bar. What is x bar? Yes. What is x bar? What is x bar? Tell me. So that become x minus x minus 5.8. So now we write the value of x first in this table. 9.8. 5.4. List 3.7. 1.7, 1.8, 2.6, 2.8, 8.6, 10.5, 11.1. Yes. So now let us put the value of each. Let us put each value of x. So now first value of x is 9.8. So this becomes 9.8 minus 5.8. Yes. What is that? 9.8 minus 5.8. Yes. How 3? 4. It is 4. 9.8 minus 5.8. First value 9.8 x. Second 5.4. 5.4 minus 5.8. It will be it will be minus 0.4. Minus 0.4. The next value of x 3.7 minus 5.8. Answer will be minus 1.5. How 1.5? Yes. It will be 2. Minus 2.1. Minus 2.1. Then 1.7 minus 5.8. Minus 4.1. Then 1.8 minus 5.8. 1.8 minus 5.8 is minus 4. Yes. Then 2.6 minus 5.8. No, minus 3 point. Minus 3.2. Then 2.8 minus 5.8. It will be minus 3. Then 8.6 minus 5.8. 2.8 plus 2.8. Then 10 point. Yes. See, in this table you can you can directly write this value. You can directly write down this value in this table. I am showing this, but you can avoid this and directly write down this value. So 10.5 minus 5.8. How 4.3? 15 minus 8, 7. Then 9, 4.7. Then 11.1. 11.1 minus 5.8. 5.3. 5.3. Now you have to add all the values. See how we add all the values. Roughly we add. This is 4. 4 means 4.0. Then minus 0.4. Then what we do? First we add. Now summation. We write summation x minus x bar. Summation x minus x bar means add all the values. So first I will add. The plus sign. 4 plus 2.8, 6.8. 4 plus 2.8. Then 4.7. Then 5.3. I will add first plus value. 8 plus 7, 15 plus 3, 18. 16.8. Now let me add the negative values. Minus 0.4, minus 2.1, minus 4.1, minus 4, minus 3.2, minus 3. Let me add the negative values. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 1 minute. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 3, 16. 16.8. This is minus. So it will be 16.8 minus 16.8. Answer will be 0. Answer is 0. So in this second table you can directly write the value. I have shown you the calculation, but in second step you can directly write down the value. Yes, this is summation x minus x bar. Summation x minus x bar means first you have to find the table of x minus x bar. First you have to find the table of. No, it is summation. Summation means you have to add all the value of the table x minus x bar. Add all the value of the table x minus x bar. So you have to first find the values of x minus x bar. Then you have to add all the values of that. And that will be the final value of summation x minus x bar. Whose birthday? Artist. Aarti Mali. Okay. Now wish her happy birthday. Hello, all of you wish. Each one of you wish. I am listening. Each one of you wish her birthday and leave the group. We stop here. But before leaving, you wish her the happy birthday. Yes. Give her a warm birthday welcome. Give her a warm birthday welcome and then leave. Yes. Wish all of you Aarti happy birthday. Let her day will be filled with smile and joy today. Aarti? She has left. Why she has left? Her birthday was. Yes. So now let us stop here. Complete this writing. Then we stop. Bye. Yes. Yes.